Hi there again, this is Safety Sherwin UT. Before we start, please ring the bell for subscribe and all of the videos are free to watch.
Let's get started.
Lining off, fire.
To safety professionals, line of fire hazards occur when a worker is in the danger zone if a release of energy would cause the worker to be hit, struck, pinched, impaled, crushed, caught between objects. Injuries from line of fire accidents range from minor, such as a pinched finger, all the way to a fatality. Line of fire hazards should be discussed and evaluated during the preparation of your job safety analysis (JA) or activity hazard analysis (AHA). Consider if your work or task will involve the release of energy in a manner that might cause a worker to have to position their body in a fashion that could cause injury if the energy was suddenly released. For example, when removing bolts from a pipe flange, could there still be some residual pressure in the line that could cause the flange to shift and cause the bolt or nut to be launched towards a worker? Could there be a release of high-pressure fluid or steam in the direction of a worker that could be avoided if the worker was standing in a different location during the work? When working with hand tools, what is the potential that a worker's hand or fingers could become pinched by the tool as it is rotated during the task being performed? Should a different tool be used to eliminate the potential line of fire pinching hazard, such as a longer handle on the tool or by holding the tool in a different position? Lifting, pulling, and pushing operations have a high potential for worker injury when things go wrong and often can put workers in the line of fire. Worker location and body position should always be considered and I'm discussed in the job safety analysis for this type of work activity. What if scenarios can be useful discussion tools for evaluating these types of hazards. For example, what if a strap or cable were to become detached or break during the pulling or lifting operation? Where should workers be standing to be out of the line of fire zone in this scenario? When pushing or loading, are workers on the opposite side of the load potentially in the line of fire if the load shifts or topples? Workers should never be positioned or allowed under a load that is being lifted, pipe and other rounded equipment and supplies cause struck by, struck against, caught in or under or between. Hazards to workers. Rotating equipment hazards are always something that should be reviewed in the job safety analysis process. Rotating equipment has the potential of causing injury to hands and fingers as well as causing other objects, such as workers' clothing, to be entangled and pulled into the equipment. Line of fire hazards can be reduced by proper engineering controls such as guards to prevent contact with the rotating equipment. There are many power tools where worker body position is critical to stay safety out of the line of fire. A prime example is the nail gun. Nailing in awkward positions where the tool and its recoil are more and difficult to control may increase the risk of injury. These include end-toe nailing, nailing above shoulder height, nailing in tight quarters, and holding the nail gun with the non-dominant hand, nailing while on a ladder, or nailing when.
Thank you for listening and watching. God bless Poeta Post. See safety, sure when my gun deck a raw sign, young Laha.